Today I'm going to show you how to make this paper cut effect in Canva. After uploading your image, drag it to the design, increase the size, edit image, remove the background, go to elements and type paper. Let's choose the first one, increase the size, go to edit image, adjust, scroll down and increase the clarity. Go to layers, send backward and download. Upload it. Let's delete these images. Drag it to the design. Let's increase the size. Go to apps and type Shopee crop. Choose this one and start to select the image. And make the last point with the first one. Click add to design. Let's delete the first one. And now let's make a good background. Type grunge photos. Let's choose this blue one. Set image as a background. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.